All right, this is the floor, what it looks like after we moved the tables. Well, not move the tables, but we're picking up the tables. Plates of food on the floor. I would say this is one of the worst ones we had. Look at it. Wherever they dropped it, that's where it stayed. Let me see if I can get it up. They even had stuff all on the stage. That's one bag of trash that we got off the stuff that was on top of the tables. The other bag I'd already brought to the back. Just want to give you a view. And let me see if I can't go out. Well, let me go outside because it's a mess out there too. I don't know how to turn the light on. Let's see. See if I can go out the door here. Well, I guess you can see. There's a trash can missing out of this bin here. Don't know where it's at. Don't know what's out there in the dark either. Just wanted to give you a quick view. I don't know why they had the fire extinguisher off the wall. This is a trash can that's filled with the stuff that was on the table. Let me see if I can back up a little bit. Yeah. All of this stuff was left on the table. That's in that trash can. About 5 of the 9 trash cans we had to dump the stuff into bags in order to get the bag in the trash can. I don't know what they did with the trash bags that was there. But I'm sorry if this is going too fast for you. But this is not a video.